Namaste, Vanakkam, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see Sthan Vachak Shabd. Sthan Vachak Shabd means words related to places. So we'll be seeing that words along with the sentences. So आज इस वीडियो में हम स्थान के शब्द देखेंगे और उसके उदाहरण भी देखेंगे वाक्य में. तो चलिए वीडियो में जाते हैं. फर्स्ट वर्ड ऊपर. ऊपर मीन्स अबाव. ऊपर अबाव. घर के ऊपर छत है. घर के ऊपर छत है. सो देयर इज अ रूफ अबाउ द हाउस. मैं पहाड़ के ऊपर चढ़ा. मैं पहाड़ के ऊपर चढ़ा. आई क्लाइम्ड अबाउ द माउंटेन. मेज के ऊपर किताब रखो. मेज के ऊपर किताब रखो मीन्स कीप द बुक above the table. Next one, नीचे. नीचे means below. पेड़ के नीचे घास है. घास means grass. नीचे means below. पेड़ means tree. So that is grass below the tree. नीचे दिए शब्दों को पढ़ो. So read the words below, given below. Okay? पैर के नीचे धरती है. पैर means leg. धरती means earth. So earth is below our leg. नेक्स्ट वन, पीछे. पीछे. पीछे मीन्स बिहाइंड. पीछे से देखो कौन आ रहा है. पीछे से देखो मीन्स लुक बिहाइंड हु इज कमिंग. पीछे मत आओ. मत इज डोंट. So any action before that if you put mat means don't do that particular action. Already I have said in the previous video also. So पीछे मत देखो means don't look behind. घर के पीछे बाग है. So there is a garden behind a house. Next one is आगे. आगे means in front. घर के आगे मंदिर है. There is a temple in front of a house. आगे देख कर चलो. आगे देख कर. देख कर means see. चलो means walk. So see properly. See in front and walk. Sorry. See in front and walk. Next. इसके आगे रास्ता खतरनाक है. खतरनाक means dangerous. रास्ता means way. So way in ahead is dangerous. For ahead only they have said इसके आगे. Okay. Next one. यहाँ. For यहाँ we say इधर also we can say. यहाँ also we can say. So both of the word means here. यहाँ कौन रहता है. Who stays here. इधर आओ. Come here. यहाँ बहुत गर्मी है. गर्मी means hot. So it's too hot here. Next one, वहाँ. Opposite of यहाँ is वहाँ. और opposite of इधर is उधर. So both means there. वहाँ मेरा घर है. So my house is there. उधर मत जाओ. Don't go there. वहाँ एक झील है. झील means lake. So there is a lake over there. Next one. दूर. दूर means far. दूर तक देखो अंधेरा ही नजर आता है. So far, if you look far, you could see only darkness. अंधेरा means darkness. So see far away. Till that we can see only darkness. मेरी पाठशाला बहुत दूर है. मेरी पाठशाला means my school. बहुत दूर means too far. If you want to say too far, you have to use बहुत in front of दूर. So मेरी पाठशाला बहुत दूर है. हमेशा दूर की सोचो. हमेशा means always. दूर की means far. सोचो means think. Here दूर doesn't mean as far. It means as about the future. So always have a foresight. We say no, we think of our future, what is going to happen tomorrow. So if you want to say mean that, you can say हमेशा दूर की सोचो. So always think about your future. Have a foresight what is going to happen tomorrow or in future. Okay, understood? Next one, पास. near. पास ही में एक अस्पताल है. So nearby is a hospital. मेरे पास बैठो. Sit near by me. पास ही में मेरे दोस्त का घर है. So nearby is my friend's house. Next one is direction. दाएं. दाएं means right side. दाएं तरफ जाओ तो मंदिर है. So if you go right side, that is a temple. दाएं मुड़. मुड़ means turn. So turn right. दायां हाथ दिखाओ. Show your right hand. Okay. Next one, बायां, opposite of that, left side. बायां हाथ पर घड़ी पहनो. So wear a watch. पहनो means wearing. घड़ी means watch. So wear a watch on your left hand. बाएं मुड़कर सीधे जाना. If you want to say turn left and go straight, in Hindi you can say बाएं मुड़कर सीधे जाना. मुड़कर means turn, सीधे means straight, जाना means go. Okay. सड़क के बाएं तरफ मेरा घर है. So left side of the street. सड़क means street. My house is there. Okay. So if you want to locate your house properly, you can say this way. Left side of the street is my house. Next one, अंदर. You know very well. अंदर means inside. घर के अंदर बहुत गर्मी है. It's too hot inside the house. अंदर आइए. Come inside. बस्ते के अंदर किताब रखो. बस्ता means school bag. किताब means book. So keep the book inside the school bag. Next one is बाहर, opposite of अंदर. वर्षा हो रही है, बाहर मत जाओ. वर्षा means rain. हो रही है means it's raining. बाहर मत जाओ. Don't go outside. It's raining. Don't go outside. बाहर मौसम खराब है. Outside the climate is bad. Okay. So खराब means bad. मौसम means climate. पुस्तक बस्ते से बाहर निकाल. So take out the book from the bag. Okay. Take outside. For that only बाहर निकाल. Okay. Next one. कहीं. कहीं means somewhere. कहीं तो कुछ गड़बड़ है. गड़बड़ means something fishy. Something wrong is happening. So for that we use the word gadbad. So somewhere something is wrong. If you want to mean that, you say in Hindi as कुछ कहीं तो कुछ गड़बड़ है. Okay, somewhere something is wrong. कहीं से जाकर दवाई ले आओ. Go somewhere and get the medicine. So if it is very urgent, you say, right, go somewhere, any medical shop, get the medicine. So this way you have to say in Hindi, कहीं से जाकर दवाई ले आओ. कहीं तो कोई रो रहा है. If you find some crying sound from somewhere and you want to mean that somewhere someone is crying. So in Hindi we say, कहीं तो कोई रो रहा है. Next word, सर्वत्र. सर्वत्र means everywhere. It means everywhere. सर्वत्र भारत में शांति होनी चाहिए. So everywhere in India there should be peace. Shanti means peace. Sarvatra means everywhere. Bharat, you know very well. India. And chahiye means want. We want peace everywhere in India. भगवान करे सर्वत्र कोरोना से बच जाए. So, by God's grace we say, no, for that only we use भगवान करे. सर्वत्र. सर्वत्र means everywhere. कोरोना से बच जाए means all should be saved from corona. रात के समय सर्वत्र अंधेरा होता है. So during the night time, for that only we use रात के समय. सर्वत्र, everywhere. अंधेरा होता है means it is dark. Okay. So these are some of the examples. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can post it in the comment box. So I'll come with more words and more information in my next video. Thank you. Dhanyavad. And anyone who have